Are you seeking a comprehensive method to accurately monitor your fertility? Meet the Inito Fertility Monitor, designed for women who desire detailed monitoring of their reproductive cycle. Offering a complete analysis of 4 hormones on a single test strip, this device can be an affordable and convenient option. It identifies the 6 fertile days and confirms ovulation, providing a comprehensive view of the reproductive cycle. The intuitive app displays real hormone values and graphs, improving cycle understanding. However, it's important to note that this device is compatible only with specific iPhone models, which may be a limitation for some users. On the other hand, the Mira Starter Kit offers an advanced solution for fertility tracking with 99% accuracy. Utilizing artificial intelligence and recommended by gynecologists, this kit predicts cycles and displays a 6-day fertile window. With high accuracy in hormone detection, convenience when testing at home, and artificial intelligence that provides personalized predictions, this kit is a technologically advanced tool for those looking to monitor their fertility. However, it's important to consider the initial cost and the need to purchase additional test ones regularly to maintain accurate fertility tracking. Whether it's the Inito Fertility Monitor with its comprehensive hormone analysis and easy-to-use app, or the advanced Mira Starter Kit with its precision and AI technology, each offers a unique solution for fertility monitoring. The choice will depend on your personal needs and budget. Discover more about these products and take control of your reproductive health today. You can learn more from the link in the description of this video.